Hi traders, Adam Ryan here with Optic Trading, and in this video we're going to be talking about news. Now I know this might be a little controversial because I'm going to be in your face telling you that news does not matter, but I'm also going to tell you why it doesn't matter, and I hope by the end of this video the aha moment happens for a lot of you guys, the light bulbs are going off, and you're going to be better, more informed traders after understanding what really happens around news. Because a lot of traders out there are, oh, I got to know when the news release is coming out right away, I got to know the number, I got to know if it's a bearish or bullish number, and I'm going to make my trading decisions based on that. And that's just not the way to win, guys, because it doesn't matter what the number is if you're trading on the day time frame. If you're a long-term investor, yeah, maybe you want to know what these numbers are, but if you're a day trader, it really doesn't matter, and it's actually going to hurt you to actually look at what the number is, because the markets don't always move with the way the number is. What the number pretty much does is it's a liquidity provider for the hedge funds and the institutions. That's when they can move size. Let's say, for example, you are institution and you have a bunch of clients who you need to buy massive amounts of crude oil contracts for. Well, you need a lot of liquidity for that. So you got to finesse your entries, and you can't just come in and buy, because if you just start buying, your orders are so large that you're going to start moving the market up. So that's going to be no good. You're going to look like an idiot to your clients. So you want to make sure that you're getting the best execution possible. Well, where is the most liquidity? It is when news is released. When the news items occur, that's when the most liquidity is hitting the markets. That's when they can really move size quickly because they have the liquidity to do so. So I'll make an example of this that happens almost every week in crude oil. So every week we have the EIA, the crude inventory report, that comes out on Wednesdays and on Thursdays if it's a holiday. Now, a lot of the times what you'll see here is, let's say for example, the number comes out with a large build in inventory and the market should tank down. You'll see like a quick reaction down sometimes, and then it reverses up for the rest of the day and takes off. And a lot of traders will be like, hey, why did that happen? We had a bearish number, it should have been going down, but the market goes up. You'll turn on the TV and CNBC, if you're watching it as it's released, they'll say, oh, the markets are taking down because of the bearish report, and then they'll change their mind and say, when it moves up, they'll say, oh, but traders are factoring this in and they're factoring that in, so they're moving higher, and they have no clue what's going on. It's entertainment, so they have to tell you guys something so they seem like a source who's giving you information, but they have no clue. The traders understand what's going on here, they don't, and I want to share with you in this video what's actually going on. So these large institutions and hedge funds and large traders, when they need to buy or sell in massive size, they need that liquidity, so they do it off the news event. So let's say that you do get that bearish news item and it tanks down and they need to buy and move large size. Oh, well, they got the liquidity right there to do it. So as the market's moving down, these large traders are buying, they're absorbing price, they're buying, and they push it up, and then all these traders who are short or selling, now they're getting their stops hit, and then the market's really cascading higher. So that's what's really happening with the news. So you don't want to be caught up on the number, because if you pay attention to the number, you're going to miss what's actually happening. So you want to be looking at price action and market structure and understanding what's going on, because you can see what these traders are doing. If you know what to look for, you can see when the large institutions and the hedge funds are buying. You can see what they're doing when the news items are being released. But if you're paying attention to the number and thinking that that's going to help you, then you're just going to be left in the dust and you're going to miss the whole point. So while it does matter when the news item is being released, I don't want you guys to just think, oh, I don't need to know when it's coming out, because you do, because there's going to be added volatility, but it doesn't matter what the number is. So just disregard that. Don't even look at the number anymore. Use your market structure and your price action, and that's going to help you guys take the best trades. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, give me the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. That lets me know that you enjoyed the content and you want more of it. If there's any kind of videos you want me to create, leave them in the comment section down below. I'll do my best to get that content for you guys. Best of luck with your trading, and I'll see you in the next video.